Hi, Assalamualaikum. This is Dr. Beth back again with another video. So we are going to continue the chemistry lecture of 1.5 and 1.6. It's a short lecture also. So let us continue with our lecture. Let the book load. So basically, the next lecture is going to be related about applications of science, technology, and engineering. So when we listen the word science, we know that it's a theory, your theories, hypothesis, or arranging knowledge and understanding the natural world. Example can be like to understand the behaviors and properties of materials, chemical reactions, and fundamental principles to control the behavior of matter. This second can be second is technology. Technology is the process of applying scientific knowledge to practical purpose, resulting in the creation of tools and machines and systems to enhance our life. Science and technology play a major role. So basically, in this, you can read this yourself. You can read this yourself. Read yourself. You can read this yourself, and this also because much I think so. That and this both are going same, but I prefer this more because it's easy for students to learn and it has a good concept. It is having a good concept over here. As we can see, this isn't overlap. It is overlapping each other over here and over here. Everything is overlapping each other, so means that one area this all are used commonly. This is a Venn diagram. This is a universal set, we can call it. So over here, if we study this, it is in simple words, science is a systematic study to explore natural world. Science intends to recognize the fundamental principle of process of natural world. So basically, this paragraph over here speaks about what is science. Science, easy way to learn it is science study of the natural world. It is to recognize principles and process the natural world. This is science. Now coming to technology. Now there are major advancements in technology from 19 no, example you can take 1990s. 1990s www was www World Wide Web was used. Now where we are using now 5G mobile networks are used. So these all are the advancements of technology. So integration of scientific knowledge for human needs are known as technology. Integration of scientific knowledge. Scientific knowledge means that with the help of science and technology. Science and technology are correlating. Not only this, then science and engineering are also correlating, and engineering and tools are also correlating. All of them are correlating with each other. Means that they are related with each other. आपस में मिलते जुलते रहते हैं. So over here they are talking about human needs. This is the most important thing. Technology, we need mobile phones to communicate with each other. We need mobile phones to communicate with each other. Without mobile phone, how used to we used to send them letters. It used to take centuries to send letters, and this is mobile phones. So this used to take like we could say a century, but it was in a term of a metaphor, not a reality. It is like it used to take 1 month, 2 months to reach the person. So we used to prior, and now in seconds we can just send a message and they can reach and it will reach them. So this integration provides a pathway to development of system, technique, and tools. So what I said, basically, when we learn technology, it is integration of scientific knowledge, human needs, and it is designing a pathway, or you can say it is development of a pathway that is creating systems, techniques, and tools. Now we studied science, we studied technology, now engineering. See, science helps us to understand the fundamental, and technology gives us a 3D model. We will study the examples of these three in correlating them. There are many like MRI machines. They are the most important example, and then not only this, like further onwards we can study like over here rusting is mentioned. So engineering is this application of scientific principles to construct and improve systems, structures, and machines. So what is basically engineering? Engineering is the application. Now remember this: systematic, integration, and application are three different things. Systematic, 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 integration, and application are three different things. Let me erase these all things for you. Yeah. So systematic is something in a system or studying in a way of a system. Like science is a system. We can say like nature is a system, natural system. We study the natural system inside the computers. So system is systematic. Systematic is the plural form of system, and system can be any type of system of science that we are studying. Now, integration is to develop something, to know or to develop or design a pathway of something. That is why technologies are used. And application is like what we are studying. We can see in our everyday life these buildings. They are applications of something. We can say applications of uh, we can say applications of CO2 means no applications of O2. It is necessary for a plant for plants release it release oxygen, and we require oxygen to live. So these are applications of O2. These three words are important and different in each systematic you want to learn. You can say systematic, S for systematic, S for science. Okay, integration, we can do I and technology. Why I? You know IoT. This is IT. IT is the second form of technology, but it's better to write technology. But to learn it, you can say it IT also. Integration IT. IT, I for information technology. That's the full form, information technology. So integration, IT or technology. IT, we'll remember that if you want to give this heading, you write that IT as a rough for learning. Then remember that the points are these all integration, and then you just remove the I. Then we know the full form of IT is the information technology. So T is the technology. Technology is the heading. So then application. Now application, we should remember engineering is a field in which we create it and we learn the applications. So that's the reason we can say the application is engineering, or the last thing which is remaining is engineering also. So it is application only. And engineering is application, that is construction, improving systems. Now we have completed 1.5, and I think so. If how detailed how I've explained you about this, I think so. No teacher would explain you, and this science, technology, engineering you can read yourself, but both of them are necessary. This is for short, and this is for long. You can read it out because both of them are same thing. As I ran through this PDF. So now coming forward to applications of science, technology, engineering. This is one of the most important, short and long. Both short, it can say give two or give three. Long, it can say give five or seven. I mean five examples because there are five mentioned. Now we should know that investigating rusting of iron. जब रस्ट हो जाते हैं, यहाँ पे पिक्चर भी दिखाई दे रही है, like inside cast tires any iron, because moisture is present in the atmosphere. This is moisture, for example water vapors we can say, and because of this moisture present in the, and it is going to cause an electrochemical reaction. We are going to further study in electrochemistry also, and so basically, if we read it out, so scientists have found a cure to save it because iron, water, and oxygen that is causing rusting. You should remember whenever you are writing rice rusting of iron. First, you start with an example that we when we see our bike tire or car's tire, they rust over time. Scientists have made an understanding that rusting is because of it is between iron, water, and oxygen that causes rusting. Then experiments are conducted to understand and prevent rusting. You write this, half you get the marks. Then let's go onwards to harnessing solar energy. This is the most easiest topic. You guys see, oh my gosh, it's so big, it's so big. It's the most easiest. Scientists may study the photovoltaic cells. So over here, this is a solar system over here. Okay, this is solar system. For example, and over here there are this is still shown, but they are too small. These are photovoltaic cells. They absorb the energy of the sun and convert it into electricity. This is easy. You say scientists study the photovoltaic cell, it converts sunlight to electricity. Technologists develop this solar panel. Engineers design it and implement it. Half of your is done. Then you can read that civil engineering is involved in designing in the infrastructure. In this example, science help us understand this is representing the same thing. You can learn this part, or you can learn from this part till this part. Both of them both of them are same. In one area it is explaining from this it is explaining why is it used and what is used, and from here to here it is explaining why it is used, what is used. But I think so we should learn all of this. If a person is like learning at the end moment, they can learn one of them, one from this side or this side. Now, designing a water filtration system, let's look at how this is designed by engineers. Up was designed by scientists. This is all science. I'll give a short form, STE, science, technology, engineering. These three are used in this. Over here only science is used, and over here engineering is only used. So it is designing a water filtration system. Chemical engineers help us to develop the process removing contaminants. So over here, see, this is over here some contaminants is there. Then they place it inside the solution. Then the clean water moves forward to the solution, and still, if there is any micro particles remaining, it's dissolved over here. The purest move downwards over here, and then it is filtered. It's still filtered over here, and over here, then over here we get our water, and this happens in milliseconds. Engineers design physical components. Now what does chemical engineering do? They remove contaminants over here, they remove the contaminants from the water, while mechanical engineer here, see, chemical engineer is easy. Chemical is something, chemical substances, so we have to remove those contaminants. We study it as chemical engineer. Mechanical engineer is designing physical component. This is together they create a solution of water. Now later on as we go organic chemistry in action. Oh my gosh, fries. Okay, yaar, हमें भी खिला दो थोड़ा सा. How do you make French fries? The oil used to fry potatoes contains carbohydrates, which are organic molecules. See, carbohydrates, they're organic molecules. We know what is organic molecules. Later on, we will study further what is carbohydrates and how they react in biophysics. This is one of the most important topic about the carbohydrates. Later on, we will study. Inshallah, we will develop chapters and we will create a concept also. Learn more about how the food works. Food technologists extract oil from seeds. So basically, that is talking that over here. That how much I think so. The main thing is over here from example 1.3 to example 1.1. This two here is just like normally over here. They could just give a separate topic. Later on, where it is a plastic bag. It's talking how it is created. This plastic bag is made up of polyethylene and see, polymer chemistry is even a good field. It is like one polymer, but a chain of polymer. One is monomer. This is a monomer. When a chain of monomer is combined together, it forms a long chain. This long chain is known as polymers. Now, one is monomer. A chain of monomer is known as polymers. And now, this long chains of polymer is used in polyethylene. It's not this much small means it is small means not this much used. It's billions, millions you can say. Where just small like these small they do and they attach each other. Now these are this is just like this useless. Key points we can what we read that is that only. Chemistry is defined as the study of matter around us and the branch of chemistry which handles this is organic chemistry, we did inorganic chemistry, we've done industrial chemistry, we've done physical chemistry, we've done science, we have done okay, see, over here something new came. When we talk about science, we can also talk this that there's a study of nature and it is the application of science. I think so. You shouldn't say technology is application of science. They are because they are mixing up the concept because integration technology is the integration of science, not application. But we can say the application also. Now coming forward, exercise. So inshallah, these exercise I've shared the exercise for notes already, and still I will upload it in the. I'll try to upload it inside the YouTube community and description also if it is being uploaded, and we'll have a one shot video, inshallah, one shot video, 9th or 10th, 9th, mostly 9th of July. You will get a one shot video, and be sure update yourself inside the YouTube WhatsApp channel which I've created. It will be inside the description of the channel, not inside the YouTube. Inside the YouTube channel, and if you want, I can repost it again on the community, in the community. So till then, it's me signing off. You're locked in prep. Subscribe.